leaving home at 5 to 9. Got a 52-mile loop down to Newport and Broxted and back home. It should be a blast. I forgot to connect my microphone, or I connected it but I didn't push it all the way home, so it might be unwatchable this. So this is the Icknield Way, south out of the village. I'll keep an eye on him there, it's very nice. So we're going that way to Saffron Walden and then on over the horizon to Newton, and we've got more or less a full tank of gas, little picnic, bristling with cameras, and it's going to be a fun day. I'm learning to look after the chain better than I ever used to, with the wonderful muck off drive train degreaser. It's a tongue twister, that. And what you can see there is an elm tree, and it's a very rare and beautiful thing. Great going out on a Monday. I'm very lucky now. Generally there's nobody about. There's generally nobody about anyway, but Mondays are the peak. At that rear. Look at it. Look at it. This is what happens when you test the following wind to see if the drone can keep up. It gives you this nice cinematic end shot, because it can't keep up. Beautiful. frustrating audio situation, but some quite fun clips anyway. Hope you enjoyed them, and I look forward to the next one when I shall be sure to plug the microphone in properly. Bye for now.